Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We have just landed here in Riga. This is the view in the front of my hotel. Pretty cool, as you can see. And this is our hotel where we're staying for one night. It's called Hotel Hansa. I will show you later on inside the room when we come back. We're just gonna go for a walk in the old city center, do a bit of exploring in the evening, because tomorrow we're gonna go to Lithuania with the train, so we won't have a chance to see how it is in the evening, all the lights, etc. Just walking towards the city center. Yeah, pretty quiet at this time, not very busy. This is the Freedom Monument. Wow, look at all these lights here. Looks incredible. Wow. Look at all these lights. Wow. So now we're going to walk towards the Nativity Church, which is a cathedral here in Riga. Going to do a couple of photos there. Probably going to see that even tomorrow morning, but I always find at night I just like to do night shots with my camera. And also you see things differently in the evening. So it's Friday night. I cannot see, there's not many people around. Lights are off outside the church, so there's no point going there. You can't really see anything. So we're going to go to visit the other side. Probably going to go for a cup of tea as well, just to warm up a bit. Seems to be the town center. I can see a bit more people hanging around here. Lamia. Lamia. A few bars opened. Loads of nightclubs. I think this is a stag city. Many people come here to do their stag nights. Those houses. Wow. This area is much better than the area where we've got our hotel, which is very, very quiet. This is much better. Nice quiet side roads. That will do for tonight. We're going to go back to our hotel, have some decent sleep. Tomorrow morning we're going to wake up quite early. We've got loads of exploring to do here in Riga. In the afternoon we will be catching a train to Kaunas. So quite an intense day for tomorrow. We're just going to go and rest at the hotel, walk back slowly. So more tomorrow from Riga. So we're back at the hotel. So I'm going to show you how this hotel is inside. So let's see the room here at Hotel Anza. So this is the main room. This is the bathroom. So for this room, one night was less than 30 British pounds, and that includes breakfast as well. So pretty good deal here in Riga. It's about 10 minutes walk to the city centre from here, so not too far. 20 minutes to the old town where we were before, so everything is pretty much in walking distance. There are buses and trams, but as I said, we prefer to walk so you can see more things. So that's it for today. Just gonna go to sleep, and we're gonna wake up fairly early tomorrow morning and explore a bit more of Riga. So more coming soon from Riga. wondering about the cost of public transport here in Riga, we bought the tickets for €1.50. These tickets, you can buy them from the vending machines, which are usually near the bus stops or tram stops. And each ticket is valid for 90 minutes. So quite cheap, quite affordable. So we're gonna go back to the station now. Just inquire about our train for this evening to Kaunas.